everybody. It's a beautiful day here in the valley and we're gonna harvest potatoes, red potatoes. Yesterday I came through with the brush hog and I cut the plants down. I didn't film that because it took about 3 minutes and I didn't really think that was exciting. So stay tuned, we're gonna harvest potatoes. Thank you. potato harvest for what we're doing today is done. We've done 3 full rows and 1 partial row. But let me, it's about a 10 to 14 day process now. We lay them on canvas and they dry, and then we start the cleaning and bagging process. And once that's done, or once we have them ready to bag, then we'll come down and we'll harvest the white potatoes. And if this is any indication, we're gonna have enough white potatoes for half the county, I believe. Usually we do better on whites. So I'm gonna turn this around and just give you a quick video tour of what we've harvested and how well we did. This is a good year. This is a little above average for us, so we're happy with this. So hold on, I get bad audio when I turn it around, but bear with me. I just want to give you a shot of the potatoes. Okay, so here are the first 2 rows of reds, and there is a lot of potato here. Every once in a while you miss one. It is what it is, but this is pretty impressive. This is, like I said, this is above average. We've had good years, we've had bad years, we've had years where half of the potatoes were underwater. I think that was 2011 September, Superstorm Sandy, whatever they called it. And then here we got to the 10 pounds of russets that my wife planted. She bought a 10-pound seed bag. They're not bad. There's some good sized ones in there for a nice baked potato. But overall, not a bad harvest. Let me get to the other side. I've got to shoot these. Oh, had one get away. Let's throw him in there. These rows are farther apart, but there's one row. Wife's back with the side-by-side. And here's the other row. Again, like I said, it's slightly above average for us. We have better years and worse years. This is a good year. But there's a lot of potatoes here. And when we pick these up, we're gonna let these sit here in the sun for about 4 hours, and then we'll pick them up. And we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna let these sit for probably, we'll pick them up around 4 o'clock. Right now it's right about 5 after 12. But not a bad harvest. Actually a good harvest. So we'll be back later to pick them up. Thanks for watching.